This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Dodge Charger RT. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, typically a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Slowly loosen and remove the plug, letting the used oil flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for proper engine health. Next, it's time for the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. This ensures a proper seal. Finally, add the new oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, which is often 7 quarts of 5W20 synthetic oil. Carefully pour the fresh oil into the engine's fill port. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.